I am a teacher now, so. भाई साहब फट रही है. Still have 7 minutes because who's coming on TV? Also started the TV. Many failed attempts. Later,
her videos gave my parents confidence
that you can study fashion.
yeah.
Hello.
Hi. And that's a crazy day in my life. Good morning, Mumbai and the rest of the world. Oh my god. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 7:17 a.m.
Oh my god, I have to go live on television in like what? 30 minutes? And I haven't showered. But I did brush and I did okay. TMI, I know. But I am so excited. अच्छा चलो फटाफट तैयार हो जाते हैं. Let me just quickly shower, wash my hair, blow dry, and then let me see you guys in a minute. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 7:22 a.m.
Okay, 5 minutes I showered. Not bad. Okay, I did take a longer shower रात को, but it still counts. हम नहा चुके हैं, हमने कपड़े चेंज कर लिए हैं, and now we're just gonna fix that hair and get ready. Paparazzi. So nervous. इसको हम लगा लेते हैं. Okay, very good. There's no battery in my laptop. To put that also in charge. What a crazy morning. Okay, we're back. Let's get started. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you what my day today is going to look like. So, we're doing this CNN TV News 18 Breakfast Club show, which is crazy. Yesterday, like the producer called yesterday and she was like, oh, I was looking for your number, I couldn't find it. We're doing this segment for Women's Day on, content creators and like women who've done some breakthrough work in different spaces, but in education. So there's going to be 2 more people and I'm like, who are these 2 people? And they tell me that the other 2 people are pretty famous. So I'm a little overwhelmed. One of them is an MBBS and a gynecologist. She's called Dr. Cuterus and I looked her up and she's actually quite cute. And then the second person is a finance influencer of sorts, Anushka Rathod. And oh my god, I was like, wow, this is amazing. We've got like some really incredible women coming for this thing. And yeah, and they were like, yeah, and for, the creative and fashion segment, we want you. I said, fine, go ahead, let's do it. So literally at 7:30 in the evening last night is when I got a confirmation that we're going ahead with this and doing it. And I am very, very nervous because I have a very long day ahead and I have a session with NIFT Mumbai. I started taking guest sessions for them for a module for digital media and design. But this is going to be such a good case study for the kids, no? Because we are actually covering social media and digital media today. It's going to be a good case study. I think they'll have fun. They'll ask me questions, hopefully. It'll be interesting. And I'll share my experiences also. I have done this before with CNN TV18. So yeah, they already had my profile and everything. In fact, last week I got the kids to write a pitch about their future self and how they want to pitch themselves as a personal brand, etc. And it would be so cool because I'm going to share my pitch with them on how I had approached it and how CNBC Awards and CNN TV18 and all of these things happen and how they can also do it a similar way. So yeah, I'm just rambling. Bhai sahab phat rahi hai. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 7:32 a.m.
Oh my god, 12 minutes. There's a lot on it already. Rub, rub, rub. Blend, blend, blend. Rub, rub, rub. Hey Bhagwan ji.
Oh no.
I hate wasting mascara or any beauty products for that matter. I don't put on a lot of makeup. No makeup look है ना, वही मैं हूँ. And then I just need some accessories. Yeah. ये शक्ल तो वैसे भी इतनी ही दिखने वाली है. Very cutesy. We've got a banana here. I'm gonna ew. सड़ा हुआ banana. 32%. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 7:38 a.m.
Still have 7 minutes. Woohoo! I am ready and husband is on husband duty. This is 8 in the morning. And mind you, I didn't wake him up. He woke up himself so that he can manage the cook and the cleaning people and everyone early in the morning. So that no one disturbs me on my life because who's coming on TV?
Shivangi.
Okay, do I look like an omelette? I feel like for this breakfast club I'm dressed like an omelette, no?
No, very pretty, Shivo.
Thank you.
So today we are speaking to women who are taking those steps boldly and with purpose.
And we also have with us Shivangi Lahoty. She's a fashion designer and educator. Essentially what she's doing is imparting design education and showing that creative talent isn't limited to those with privilege. She's both on Instagram as Designer Didi and on her YouTube channel imparting education.
Women in general and designers in general need to be taken up more seriously, not just in terms of studying design, but also being supported when it comes to working in the industry, when it comes to starting their own brands. Because as you very rightly brought up, there's not enough financial support, there's not enough support coming in from families. To a lot of these girls, it's considered hobby hai, kar lo, theek hai, jab tak shaadi nahi hoti, right? So I would really want that narrative to change, where you take your daughter's profession just as seriously as your son's, and you invest in your daughter's career more than you invest in her marriage, because that's usually the case.
Yay! We are done and we have time on hand, so I'm gonna have chai and then I'm gonna change and bounce to NIFT Mumbai. But this was so much fun, you guys! Was it fun? Did you listen? Did you like it?
Really good.
Yeah? Okay, I love you. Okay, bye. I've just sat in the cab. I am royally running late. Okay, that's 15 minutes late, but it's still very late from my standards. बहुत ही फटाफट से I've just had a little bit of coffee. I didn't really have breakfast because the session starts at 9:30. So I'm gonna reach by 9:39. Okay, 9 minutes late. Not so bad. I've given work to the students, so they should be okay. But oh my god, what a roller coaster of a day. Today has been a crazy morning. Let's hope it gets better as we go. I will be centering myself and thoda sa relaxing and unwinding. But first setting up my bag because it's literally a dump here. Also, आज की presentation थोड़ी बहुत बाकी है, so I have to ready it for the kids so that they have a case study to look at in terms of blogging. So yeah, we'll do that. What's in my bag edition हो रहा है ये तो. This is a pouch from Clinique. I totally should have carried my phone tripod. Forgot to carry it. It's gonna keep falling. Looks like it, pretty much. Many failed attempts. Later. Should have kept the camera this side. The light is so much nicer here. I sent out a lot of messages for work on Slack. Now that I'm done with all of that, I am gonna call Ma while I finish my breakfast. This is how an empty classroom looks. I have to go to the department now and hand over this attendance sheet. Let's go. But I'm happy that हम जल्दी free हो गए. And I have given everybody an assignment to actually vlog the next 3 days for Spectrum because they're learning digital media and social media with me. So might as well get them to get their hands dirty and video record everything. So yeah, and this is what I'm wearing. This is my bangle stack. These are my earrings. Very pretty. Okay, bye.
Hi, hello. So her videos gave my parents confidence that NIFT is a good place.
That you can study fashion
Yeah,
and make a career in fashion.
yes.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai itself.
Oh, what's your name?
Trisha.
त्रिशा. Awesome. बॉम्बे में भी लोग सोचते हैं फैशन नहीं कर सकते, तो छोटे शहरों में तो क्या ही सोचते होंगे. But I'm so happy you're here now. You're studying in NIFT Bombay. Yay!
Yes. Please subscribe.
So cute. Thank you. It's always so good to meet you guys. And coming back to NIFT every time is like homecoming. I got off a little early today, but yeah, I had to meet Shivati sir, which was so much fun.
Hello,
So who's your favorite student?
शिवांगी बोलना तो पड़ेगा वीडियो लिया
You guys know him already. He's come in my videos in the past. The best fashion illustrator in the whole of NIFT. The reason why I could study illustrations and get to FIT. Amazing. Look how pretty. So there's a flower who's made a flower. And the inspiration was that. This was the inspiration.
Yeah.
And yeah, now we're headed home, and then we're gonna have lunch and then change and then go to Nude Cafe in Dadar. I'm really excited about that, by the way. Literally went around to look at where my old apartment was. It's a pretty demolished building state, but couldn't walk. It's so hot. And 3 cafes cancelled on me until I finally got a cab sitting. And yeah, we are headed home. This is the girls' hostel, by the way. This here is the NIFT girls' hostel. Such a crazy afternoon. I'm so drained because of the last 10 minutes. Actually, 25 minutes. Who am I kidding? Hello. We're back home, and now we're gonna have food and then head back. I'm gonna put this in the video. We have Vidhi here.
Hi. I'm taking lessons on how to be a content creator.
Vidhi is the founder of Mood Space, and she is a psychologist, and she's a very dear friend. She's from IIMB Bangalore. Hi. And
Taking mentorship lessons.
yes, and I've come to her place for some chai. So this is the friend that I was telling you guys about, who I'm going to be meeting for chai. Actually coffee, but hum chai pee rahe hain because we are desi. And this is the beautiful view that she has. Oh my god, to die for. Guess who's tired and back home? It has been a long day. It's 7:30 now, and my brother's coming home for dinner. So we're gonna have din together. He's in Bombay today, flew in. I've gotten his favorite paneer ki sabzi done, and yeah, I have reached home officially. He's gonna reach around the same time as what I know. So we're gonna go home now, freshen up, change, and just dine. Hello. Hi. That is Le husband, that is Le brother, and this is Ghar Ka Khana. And that's it for my day today.